Okay, so we're at the Coconut Village and we're gonna ride. Well, it's gonna be a surprise. So that's a surprise. We're gonna ride. We're gonna ride the round basket boat. And we're gonna go around and around in circles. Oh, did you put your name on the list?
Oh, not yet.
Why are we waiting? One coconut?
One coconut? Dạ. Vậy thôi là con 5,5 ngàn.
Thank you. Please click right here on the subscribe button, and to the left is a bell. Click on the bell, it will notify you the next time I've uploaded a video. Thank you so much for watching. Aloha.
Let me help.
This is so cool. This was like, I'm so happy to be here. I actually was confused with the driver. I thought I was on the way back, but on the way there. I'm so happy to do this. This was on my list of the things to do here in Da Nang. And I'm so happy we're getting this done. So beautiful. Maganda. So it's 700,000 for, which is like $30 for a 40-minute basket ride, which includes spinning, which I want. So she says no spinning, then it'll be 500. But so I don't have the cash because I didn't go to the ATM this morning. They don't take credit card. But I'm gonna get a loan from a millionaire. I know a millionaire. There's a millionaire sitting right next to me here.
Hey, excuse me, can you borrow money to the driver? Philip, can you with him your ATM? Can you pay for him later? You can borrow money to the driver.
So the ATM is like 10 kilometers away. And I can borrow money from the driver and pay the driver. No, I'm actually gonna borrow money from this millionaire right here. And I'm gonna demote her millionaire status. She won't be a millionaire anymore. So she's all happy.
Oh, my millionaire.
She's no longer a millionaire.
Okay, you give me only 500 and 200. You can spin it inside. You
Okay.
pay spinning.
Okay, we pay for the spinning, we pay the rider. All right, so it's 500 for the tour and then 200 to spin. What did she say about the hats? She speaks so fast. Her English so fast with her accent, I couldn't figure it out. She says something about the hats. Like we have our own hats. We don't need. I think you rent the hats. See that they have the hats there for rent. So we have our own. Yeah, we're in Coconut Village. Yeah. Thank you. Come on.
Come on,
I always get laughs and smiles when I say that come on. They always cheer up. It's always good to know a few words, right? Yeah. Big fat American. Come on.
Xin cảm ơn.
Where are you from?
Where you from?
Vietnam?
Việt
Da Nang? Da Nang? Hoi An?
Việt Nam, Hội An.
Hoi An.
Hội An.
You from here?
Hey, hey. How old are you?
How much?
How old are you?
How many? How many you give me?
How
many?
old?
How many?
Five.
40? 40?
44.
44.
Okay.
44.
Oh.
44.
24. Okay.
Higher.
Okay.
How much? She's young. Me? 5. 9.
Wow, 5'9". Yeah. 6
0
0.
this year, 2024.
Wow.
Yeah,
Yeah.
strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we go. Wow, look how
Wow,
beautiful. I'm in
okay.
paradise.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay. Very good.
Wow.
Oh, wow. No. Salam.
You got scared. Why are you spinning?
Yeah.
And spinning.
Oh.
Wow.
It's job.
Lee, no spinning, Lee.
No.
No spinning.
Okay.
No spinning. Okay, I am dizzy.
You're doing what he's supposed to be doing.
Yes. Taken away from his tips. That's a speaker. It's a speaker. That speaker is like bigger than a boat. Whoop.
Okay.
Cock your legs.
Ba cánh nó xài he. Hãy xây lấy lên. Hãy xây lấy lên. Ốp. Ốp ba cánh nó xài he. Hãy xây lấy lên.
I don't want earlier.
Hãy
You don't want to what?
Yeah.
So dizzy.
Okay.
So dizzy.
Ayo.
Oh.
Dizzy than
Oh my God.
Oh.
This one's dizzier.
Ayo.
It's so dizzy.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Strong. But I'm coming out of it now.
Second time around.
Maybe.
We're finally shaken.
Maybe. I'm just coming out of it now. How about you?
Yeah.
People's homes. Kind of cool. Hello, where you from? India. Aloha.
Giờ em đậu ngoại ba. Ba nó đậu ở ngoài gì đi. Lo hai mươi trời hôm qua tới cho tới nữa rầm rầm đây.
I'm out of it now. Look, you can stay up there, condo. You stay on the water here next time. More peaceful. Less beeping. So Lee says this is not doo-doo. It's from the trees, from the coconut.
Philippines number one.
Coconut
Philippines
cheese.
beautiful.
Yes. Hey, it's Tony. Thank you for watching my videos. If you could please subscribe, hit the button down below, and also the thumbs up. And that's the like, by the way. And then if you could write me a comment, that would be great. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, where in the world you like me to go and film. And also, if you could click on the bell. The bell notifies you, gives you notification next time I have uploaded a video and something for you new to see. Thank you so much for watching. Aloha.